Hello everyone, how are you? I am very excited because I wanted to share with you this package that I have been receiving. It is an easy to install stainless steel shower, so join me to show it to you. That envelops the entire body, offering a pleasant and refreshing shower experience, similar to a gentle rain. Its innovative metal diverter allows you to easily switch between 4 spray modes without needing to stretch, offering greater comfort and customization during the shower. The 13-inch adjustable extension arm allows you to modify the height and angle of the shower head to suit any family member, from children to tall adults, ensuring an optimal experience for everyone. Additionally, the multifunctional handheld shower features 9 different modes, such as massage to relieve muscle tension, mist for gentle skin contact, and power wash for deeper cleaning. Thanks to its flexible and durable stainless steel hose, it adapts to different hygiene and cleaning needs. Finally, its installation is simple and quick, as the package includes all necessary accessories. By following the instructions, anyone can assemble it. No need to hire a plumber